for your cinnamon rolls, puff pastry sheets, you will need cinnamon, you will need sugar, and then you're going to need parchment paper. And you're going to need egg for your egg wash. And basically, that's about it. Caveman can do it.
All right. So we're going to start off with our puff pastry sheet. So we're going to lay it out flat. We're going to take our cinnamon and sugar, mix it well. I already have it mixed already. We're going to take it, going to spread it out. You take your spoon also, take it, spread it out evenly, because we're going to roll this after. So we're going to spread it out. We'll add a little bit. Okay. Very simple recipe. Fast. You can do this almost with your eyes closed. But I don't want you to do it with your eyes closed. All right, we're going to roll it. Roll. All right, we're there. Now we're ready to cut. We're going to cut. Depends on what size you want. So we're going to just go maybe an inch. We'll cut them. Okay? You little ones will not be cutting at home with this. Your parents will be doing it, or you use a plastic knife. Okay, now we're going to straighten them up. Sit them up straight. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now once you got them sitting up, a little bit of sugar may fall out, that's fine. Then we're going to take an egg wash. And we're going to egg wash them, and we're ready to bake. Egg wash. Egg wash gives you a little bit of brownie, so that's what you want. We're going to put them in the oven for like 45 minutes, and we'll be back ready to enjoy. All right, this is our final project here, finished. We cooked them, we baked them, I would say, at 285 for 45 minutes. And this is what you get. We will be doing this again. My next cooking class will be next week, and we'll be back at it again, and I will see you then. Cooking with Dwayne. Bye.
Thank you everyone for watching our video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the Boys and Girls Club San Fernando Valley YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more virtual programming.